Before starting a design, we often go on site visit to get a feel of the place where our design is going to be located, its neighborhood, and expose ourselves to the local culture and way of life. In today's video, we will talk about why site visits are an integral part of designing process, and together, let's prepare a checklist that will make your next site visit as fruitful as possible. Now, we all know that site visit gives us peek into how things might actually go in reality, but is site visit really that necessary? Well, that's pretty clear from the definition itself, as site visit is an experience to determine its suitability for design. And next, we might ask ourselves, why should we do site visit? The reason is pretty simple. For one, site visit before design helps in understanding the local culture of the place. For example, if you are designing a school for the children of tribe in Africa, you must surely get hang of the local culture before diving into the designing process. And secondly, a physical presence in your design site will help you get an accurate experience of the space. And lastly, once you are physically acquainted with the site and its surrounding, it will help to make decision on your fields, which as we all know is quite a virtue in the field of architecture. So now that we understand the importance of site visit, the next question which naturally comes to mind is what to do during site visit. For starters, we should check carefully the movement of humans on the site location. Next, list down the things you feel are important. It can be anything from what type of vegetations are present to what material has been used in neighborhood buildings. You can sketch down the important scenarios or at least take a picture of it. And next, you might wonder what are the things that we should take note of during site visit. So here is list. Firstly, neighborhood context. Ask yourself, what type of people inhabit the neighborhood of your site? What is their age demographic? What material has been used in the surrounding buildings? And what is the style of architecture being followed, etc. Then, remember to check the site specification, the natural and man-made feature in and around the site. Take a note of the detailed circulation of the site, the roads through which the site can be accessed, services, and most importantly, your personal experience of the site. But before hitting the road for a site visit, you should remember to take a few things with you which will come in handy during site visit experience. And these are measuring tape, pen and notebook, detailed site location map, camera, phone and any other equipment you think necessary. Now that we are done with this, so how should you prepare for your impending site visit? Firstly, schedule the site visit properly. To visit the site, pick a proper time, date and day for the visit. Like it is always better to visit the site on a working day as it gives a proper feel of how the neighborhood functions. Always keep your paper, documents and other details in order before visiting the site. And lastly, it's always better to do research of the site, be it digitally or from books, so that the place is not totally unfamiliar to you when you go visiting. But your site visit does not just end with just visiting the site. So once you came back from your site, here are the few things you can keep in mind. Note down all opportunities and issues with the site. Make a list of all specific areas you feel are important for your design. Now, taking note of opportunities, issues and important areas, give thought to a possible design solution and behold, you are ready to start designing. Here is wishing you all the luck on your future project, and if you found this video useful, please do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for the next upcoming videos.